Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to build a workout routine in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And here, just look for the Workout Routines button and click on that. And if you're in the Explore page, then just click on the My Routines button. And then click on the Build Routine button. So first you have to set a routine name, and you can also add descriptions and notes to it. You can set it to private, to friends to see it, or to everyone to see it. That's optional. And then you can modify duration here, and then here you can add the types of exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, deadlifts. So basically what you want. And then you can further provide information on the different exercises, like add the instructions or add weight to them. So these are just completely optional. And once you're ready, just click on the save button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.